Hello friends, today we are going to the unboxing the Lava Blaze 25G. The Lava Blaze 25G is the latest offering from the Indian smartphone company Lava. We'll take a detailed look at the phone, starting with the unboxing experience. The Lava Blaze 25 in a black box with silver lettering. Upon opening the box, the first thing you will find is a big round camera model. The case is of good quality and offering decent protection. For moving on, you will find a few accessories such as USB Type A to Type C charging cable, cord, tool. The charger included with the phone is a 18-watt charger, which is an upgrade from charger that came with the previous model. Overall, the unboxing experience of the Lava Blaze is satisfactory with all the necessary accessories included. The phone design and built-in quality. The Lava Blaze 25G feature is a glass back, giving a premium look and feel. The shiny glass back adds the overall aesthetic of the phone. The phone has a big round camera module and flat black side, and further enhance its premium look. However, those with small hands may find the phone a bit on bigger side. Weighing at 187 grams, the Lava Blaze 25G is slightly on the heavier side, which can be attributed to its glass back. The phone feels solid in hand and offering a comfortable grip on negotiable space of phone's design is the durability. During our drop test, phone showed no sign of damage thanks to its sturdy build quality, display and performance. The Lava Blaze 25G sports a 6.5-inch 19Hz HD plus display with a brightness of 450 units and touch sampling rate of 180 Hz. The display offers a smooth and responsive user experience. The colors are vibrant and viewing angles are decent. In terms of performance, the Lava Blaze is powered by a Dimensity of 6020 processor. This processor is a rebranded version of Dimensity 700, which was found in the previous model. The phone comes in 2 RAM and storage option, 4GB RAM with 64GB of storage and 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone performance is respectable with an Antutu score about 4 lakhs. Battery and charging. The Lava Blaze 25G is equipped with 5000 mAh battery, which offers all-day usage without the need of frequent charging. The phone supports 18-watt charging and included charger provides a slight improvement in charging speed compared to the previous model. The phone also supported virtual RAM, allowing users to expand the valuable RAM by utilizing storage space. Software and user experience. One of the highlights of the Lava Blaze 5G is its clean and bloatware-free user interface. Unlike many other phones in this price range, the Lava Blaze 25G does not come with any pre-installed bloatware or third-party apps. Phone runs on Android 13 out of the box with an assured update to Android 14. It also comes with 1 year of major update and 2 years of security update. The clear UI enhances the user experience, providing a clutter-free and smooth interface. The absence of bloatware ensures that users have more storage space available for their apps and files. Overall, the software experience on the Lava Blaze 25G is commendable. Storage and RAM options. As mentioned earlier, the Lava Blaze 25G comes in 2 storage and RAM configurations. The base variant offers 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, while the higher variant offers 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It is recommended to go for the higher variant as 128GB of storage is the minimum requirement in today's smartphone. Additionally, the phone also has dedicated SD slot for expanding the storage further. Camera quality. The Lava Blaze 25G features 50 megapixel primary sensor and a VGA dual camera sensor. The camera performance of the phone is decent with good result in outdoor lighting condition. However, the camera struggles in low lights situation, producing noisy and grainy images. The phone also offers various camera features such as night mode, pro mode, slow motion and time lapse, providing users with a range of creative options. Multimedia experience. In terms of multimedia, the Lava Blaze 25G offers a HD plus display with wide view L3 sport. The display is bright enough for indoor usage and provides a satisfactory viewing experience. The phone comes with bottom-firing nano speakers which are loud but offer average sound quality. Considering the price of phone, the multimedia experience is acceptable, although not exceptional. Gaming performance. For gaming enthusiasts, the Lava Blaze 250 offers the ability to play BGMI on low to medium settings. The phone's performance is decent for casual gaming, although it may struggle with high intensity game. Overall, the gaming experience on Lava Blaze 250 is satisfactory for the subprice. In the conclusion, the Lava Blaze 250 offers a decent package of features and specifications at an affordable price. With the premium design, clean user interface, and satisfactory performance, the phone stands out in its price segment. In the conclusion, offering light IP52 certification and free home service further add value to the phone. However, it's important to manage exception based on the price of the phone. While it offers a satisfactory multimedia and gaming experience, it may not compete with higher-end smartphones in terms of camera quality and overall performance. Nevertheless, for budget-conscious users, the Nova Blaze 5G is a worthy option that provides good value for money.